So very often we're asked how foreclosure affects the sale of a home. Well, the answer depends on whether the home has equity or is underwater. If the sales price of the house, minus all the closing costs, is greater than the amount due to the lender or lenders, then the house has equity. In other words, if the seller can walk away from closing with money, then there's equity in the property. If that's the case, then the sale of the property in foreclosure is no different than the sale of property not in foreclosure. The buyer makes an offer that's accepted by the seller, the title company orders payoff letters from the lenders, the closing occurs, and the title company sends money to pay off the loans, other closing costs, and gives the seller a check. The only difference is that in a foreclosure scenario, the title company orders the payoff from the bank's attorney. The payoff likely contains additional fees and costs like late charges, attorney's fees, interest, and other costs. However, if the sales price of the house, minus all the closing costs, is less than the amount due to the lender or lenders, then the house is upside down. In other words, if the seller does not have enough money to pay off all the loans and closing costs, then the house is underwater. In a situation where the house has negative equity, either the seller has to bring that difference to closing or negotiate a short sale with the lender. A short sale can take longer to process from the contract to closing because now we have to convince the bank to take less than what they're owed. We've helped hundreds, if not thousands, of homeowners, those with equity and those without equity, sell their homes. If you have questions, we offer a free consultation, and we appreciate the opportunity to go over all of your options to determine which option best fits you and your family given your current situation.